Today we're going to show you the correct way to make a bed here at One Organized Mom. The bed is to be made, the sheets have been removed, fix the mattress pad to make sure it is on the mattress correctly and smooth it out. Then you're going to take your fitted sheet, make sure that the fitted sheet is right side out. Do not put it inside out because why? Details matter. There's only one way to make the bed with the fitted sheet. Same for a twin, same for a queen. If sheets are not put out and the bed has been unmade, call the office to make sure they can check with the client. Now we're gonna take the flat sheet. This can be a little tricky. You wanna make sure that the top part is on the top part of the mattress, and you're gonna place the sheet upside down, and we will go over that, the reason why, once the bed is made, which will make more sense. At the foot of the bed, you will tuck in the sheet, and then you will make a hospital corner. We do not tuck in the side of our sheets here at One Organized Mom. So how to make a hospital corner, this is a little bit harder of a bed because it's a water bed mattress. You tuck in the foot part of the bed, and then to make a hospital corner, you pull the side of the sheet up on the bed so that bottom tail piece goes in under the mattress, and it makes for a very clean fold or tuck. Then you're going to put the comforter, the duvet, the quilt, whatever the client has. In this instance, we have 2 comforters, and we don't know how the client wants the bed to be made. So we're gonna have to make our best judgment as to how the sheets or how the comforter goes on the bed. No. Again, this is a king size bed, and you wanna make sure the comforter goes on the correct way. Otherwise, it will look wrong and the client will know that it's wrong. How you can tell us on a king size bed is that the width is wider than from the headboard to the footboard. There you go. Once the comforter is on the bed, you and your partner will go up to the head part of the board and pull the sheet and the comforter down 6 inches, whatever it needs to, and then you roll it down a second time. This will make it have a nice clean tuck, and it makes it look like you're in a hotel. That's what our clients need to feel when they walk into their bedroom. Then the second comforter that was left, we're going to fold it nicely as in a blanket style and have it across the foot of the bed. Details matter. If this is not the way the client wants the bed made, they will call the office and they will tell us. But us making sure the bed is nicely made, that is the most important part. Now comes the pillows. This bed has 7 or 8 pillows. To put a pillowcase on, there's several different ways. So we're going to show you 2 different techniques right now. Teresa's going to show you how to put the pillowcase on by having the pillowcase inside out and shaking the pillow into the pillowcase. Kaya is going to show you how to just put the pillow into the pillowcase. Either technique is correct. Then we're going to make sure we put all the pillows at the head of the bed to make sure it looks good. Our procedure is to lay the pillows down flat, not to prop them up on the headboard, unless the client has instructed us otherwise. You keep in mind the clients have preferences to whose pillows belong on what side of the bed. So if you're on the right side of the bed, make sure you keep those pillows there. And if you're on the left side of the bed, make sure those pillows stay there. It is a little frustrating as a client to come home and have to move all the pillows. And then finally, you're gonna take any decorative or sham pillows and place it at the head of the bed to make it look like a spa when that client comes home. As you can see here, the openings of the pillows are on the outside, not in the middle. And that is how you make a bed from scratch.